This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here in Brooklyn, New York and Williamsburg at Brooklyn Camper Vans Block Party. Look at all the vans down there. Well, I just bumped into Iris and she has something special. This is a Honda Element custom camper and she's gonna give us a full tour, so join us.
Hey Patrick, how are you? I can't believe I finally met you after all these years of watching your videos on YouTube. So finally we're here and now you get a chance to see my van, how I do van life. I do it just day camping. So I started this setup. This is about my 4th setup. I started this during COVID and I needed to do something with myself. So I found myself outside playing with wood and I started watching YouTube videos and I saw these Honda Elements and I fell in love with them and I fell in love with what people were doing with them. So I decided to camp out my own car. I got some of my stuff from Elife, Darren over at Elife. He constructed most of the bed and the office. So come on in, I'll show you my setup. So when you first enter, I pretty much left the front cabin the way it is, you know, pretty normal. And then I took the 2 back seats out. And what I've done here is started with my dining room area. So here you have an area where I sit down and I'm able to eat if I want to. I have a light, a chandelier light here, if I want to keep that. Also across from the dining room, you have the sink and the bathroom, as you can see, made by Boxio. They're the best. And here is where I have my office. This is considered an office setup. I can sit here and do my work, do my photography, edit my films here. And in the back is what's actually called the office, which consists of a bookshelf. I have a plant, a fan, I have my battery pack there, and some novelties there. And I'm able to sit here comfortable. I have storage space underneath. Again, Elife Campers, they're the best. And I have my rug and I have my couch here that actually lets out to a bed. All right, so let me get inside so I can show you how everything works, okay? So, of course I take my shoes off because I don't want my shoes to mess up my beautiful mat here. I'll put this pillow in the back and I'll sit comfortably here. So when I'm ready to edit and do my work, I sit here, which is very comfortable. This is a swivel table that turns all the way around, which makes it very comfortable here. I have my sink here and my sink here. And the way this sink works, it's a wonderful, wonderful idea. You pump it up a little and then you just let your water flow. Just like that. No batteries, no electricity, just a pump system, which is wonderful. You have your mirror, you need to see when you're brushing your teeth. Here's your toilet paper that you always need. And aside from that, we have paper towels to dry your hands off. I have free space here. If I wanted to actually cook inside, I could. Or I could put this swivel table sits here comfortably by itself. So sometimes when I'm sitting in the back, I'm also able, this is an office unit, I can read when I'm lying at the beach or sitting at the beach. I have my books, I have my power pack here and a little plant. If I get hot, I have a fan here. So I'm able to be comfortable in an office. This is pretty much office space. Down here we have storage. I keep my window shades here. That works for at night when you want to go let no one know that you're here. You can put your window shades up. I have my electricity here. This is my necessities that I need here. My storage, very little storage. For camping, I have a camp stove, another sink if I want to camp out outside, and keep things down here that's necessary. I'll bet by now you're probably wondering how the bed works. Okay, so let me show you how that works, okay? So first thing, we would move the desk out the way, of course. Put our shoes on, right? Okay. And we get out, we let the chair up as much as possible so we can have as much room as necessary. And I'll have to adjust a small adjustment, just a small adjustment. Or I have to unscrew these knobs here, which may take a second. You have to turn it quite a few times. But once you get it out, it's easy, right? I probably should have had it in bed mode first, and then I put these here. I think this is okay. So what happens here is it lets down. Okay, so once you drop it flat, you can then assemble your cushions. And I bought one big piece and I had it cut into 4 pieces. And of course I bought covers so that you can have a nice blanket. And this is how we put it in bed mode. Or sometimes if you want, you could sit up and still edit, or you could have it in bed mode and you could lie back and watch television as you lie down. Okay, so let's go around the back and I'll show you what my setup is back there. I like to keep my happy camper with me. And back here what we do is, as well, we can sit back here. We can put the front up so that we lounge and look out this way. And back here we have storage underneath. I don't have anything there now, but there's plenty of storage, lots of storage, wonderful storage. And then we have another swivel table. So here I have my portable camp stove and a sink if I want to sit back out here. I have my curtains. I have curtains here to cover the back, as well as my little piece here that I love, right? And so I sit here and just relax and just wait, watch the ocean, watch the river in the woods, and just relax, have some peace time, So let me show you around this way. This is how we set up the bathroom, kitchen, bathroom and the bathroom sink, right? These are my window shades that go in the window like this. I have one for each window, and it keeps out, keeps the privacy, which is very important in the bathroom. You want privacy. So along with this sink here, what I would do is move the sink over and put it down here. We can leave it down here, and then here we put this up here, and here we have a portable toilet, which is wonderful. So if you have to go, you have to go. And in this toilet system, we have waste as well as a urine part. So it's 2 compartments. In my sink as well, there is also 2 compartments. We have for black water and a gray water, or gray water and clean water, right? Not black, no black water. Maybe black is in here, but we have gray water. And then we have a mirror, and this sets up my bathroom. Okay.
This is pretty amazing. I love the fact that it's a modular design. So the person that built this whole system, it looks like there's like a serial number here on it.
It's Darren. It's Elife Campers, and his name is Darren. He's on Etsy as well as YouTube. He's a great guy. He has a Honda Element, and he built his out. So I knew everything, the measurement would be great. It would fit. He has the same exact one. So he builds it, and then he ships it to you, and then you figure it out and put it together. He gives you instructions, which are great. You can call him 100 times. You can text him 100 times. He helped me out. And it put together. It's heavy, but it's good. It fits. You take the 2 seats out, and everything clamps into the seat clamps, so that it doesn't move.
So no drilling. This is
no drilling.
This is no build.
Well, the drilling, just the screws. No holes, no cutting. All you have to do is screw everything in. He gives you instructions. He labels each piece, and all you have to do is match A to B and use the screws that he give you. Everything you need comes packaged, and you put it together, and it comes very quickly. He's very fast with delivery. Very happy with him. Very happy with this unit. I sometimes just come out and camp in my front yard. It's so much fun. I really enjoy it.
This is really cool. I love the fact that it snaps into the brackets, and the way you're using it, it's a day type camper, but you could do it overnight, so you could do extended travel. And another thing that I like about it is it's very bright and airy in here. It's not all closed in. These Honda Elements are a great vehicle. But all the viewers are going to wonder, like, why the Honda Element? What is the fascination with this great vehicle?
Well, I saw what other folks had been doing with the Honda Element, and it was used for camping. For me, I just needed it for day camping. It started in 2020, and I needed to be outside and opposed to inside the building, where a lot of people were getting sick and a lot of germs. And I said, how can I do my work outside? So it became a mobile office for me. And then the Honda Element is such a beautiful box car. It's so much more room on the inside than what it looks like. So the Honda Element is, I love Honda, so the Honda Element is great for me. And some have the rooftop and everything, you know, where people camp these out. And I was like, hey, I can do that.
Well, they're pretty rare vehicles in today's day and age, but it just so happens right across the street today there's one more.
There you go. So we're everywhere, if you ask me. Yeah. It's ironic that before this I saw one or two, but now they're everywhere. And this is a 2005.
How many miles?
The miles is like maybe 120.
That's nothing.
Nothing. Great mileage. I can keep it forever. And it's an antique at this point. It's 20 years old.
And I bet you the weight that you took out because the seats aren't here is about the same weight as a cabin, so it probably drives the same.
It does. It does.
Well,
pretty much the same.
I appreciate you taking the time today. If you have a social media you want to share, I'll put links in the description. This is Patrick of New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.